Here I have Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and let me show you how to enable backup option on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's open the list of all applications. Here you need to choose settings. Now scroll down and select the cloud and accounts. Choose backup and restore. And here you have to decide if you would like to use the Samsung backup or Google backup. In my case, let me use the Google one. So let's enable backup my data. Here you need to add the backup account, so let me do it. The phone is checking info. Now it's important to have the internet access, and here you need to enter your email. If you don't have any Google account, you can create it right now by using create account, but in my case let me just enter my existing email. That's it. Let's tap next. It's time to enter the password. Alright, if you are ready, let's choose next right here. Let me agree to the following terms of service and privacy policy. The phone is checking info. Let's accept backup to Google Drive. Here let me tap OK to the following information. Tap done. And that's it. You just enable backup my data, add necessary backup account. So you just enable the Google backup on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.